Yes.
Hello foodies, it's your girl Klenam and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through the process of preparing two different types of nutritious African breakfast. You know, wache is good, we all love wache, but we need options. I mean lighter options. So let's dive right in. Our first option is going to be rice water immersed in coconut milk with some coconut flakes and almond. And for this we're going to need 1 cup of rice and 7 cups of water. This is the quantity for 2 people, and it is a ratio, meaning if you're using 2 cups of rice, then you're going to need 14 cups of water. And all you have to do is to just wash your rice, throw it inside the water, and then stir every now and then for about 15 minutes. I personally like this breakfast because it is not time consuming and you can just, throw it on the fire and brush your teeth or do other things in the meanwhile. So after 15 minutes, this is what you're going to get. Your result should be soft rice and as thick as you can see in the video. If you want it to be thicker, all you have to do is to leave it on the fire for about 5 more minutes. And then you can add a pinch of salt if that is your preference. So my rice is ready, and now all I have to do is to add some coconut milk, and then I'm going to add some honey, which is not going to make it vegan, but I prefer honey to sugar, so yeah, but you do you. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some coconut flakes and some almond flakes on top of it, and my breakfast is ready. Quite easy, right? And not time consuming, as I said. So let's move to our second option, which is cocoa, basically porridge. And for that I'm going to need fermented corn, ginger and some cloves. And then what I'm going to do is to blend everything together, sieve it, and then start cooking. I love for my cocoa to have character, to have a very strong taste, and that is the reason why I'm using this much of ginger and cloves. If you don't want all that heat, all you have to do is to use half the amount. And as you saw in the video, I'm going to add about half a liter of water and I'm going to blend everything together. Do not forget that all the ingredients and their quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. When the sieving is almost done, I'm going to use half liter to wash the residue. Now, for this recipe, I'm going to need 1.5 liters of water in total. So as you saw previously, I used half liter to blend, and then I'm now adding half liter, and then the remaining half liter I'm going to add gradually during the process of cooking. It is important to cook everything on a medium to low heat and to stay by it, stirring continuously until it's cooked, because we don't want lumps to form in it. After 7 to 10 minutes of cooking, as you can see, my porridge is becoming thicker and thicker. So at this point I'm going to add some salt, which is optional, so you can decide to do without. For this recipe, you're going to need 20 to 25 minutes in total. And the last 5 minutes you can do without the stirring, because we're just waiting for the cocoa to cook thoroughly. So when it's ready, all I'm going to do is grab my calabash, or maybe in your case your cup or your bowl or whatever, serve my cocoa with some honey alongside some fruits. Now my fruits of choice are orange and some grapefruits. If you've never tried grapefruit with cocoa, you should, and then let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the properties of such breakfast. We all know ginger is anti-inflammatory, right? And it's not only that, it also helps lower your blood pressure, and it treats all forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. So if you're pregnant and you have digestion problems, this could be of help. And your question might be, what about the cloves? Well, cloves kills bacteria and they are good for your liver. And if your choice is rice water, we all know that rice is not only gluten-free, but also a good source of energy and protein. And for coconut, we all know what coconut does. It's good for your hair, for your skin. It has electrolytes, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin E, and so on. And almonds are rich in vitamin E, which help lower your cholesterol. Just imagine combining all that with some fruits. Definitely what you need in the morning to kickstart your day. I really hope this recipe was useful. And as usual, if you loved what you saw or if you love what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and letting me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Until the next recipe, it's bye-bye for now.